Breathing here. On your next exhalation, bring the right knee to the right elbow, engage the core, reach the heart forward. Exhale, reach the foot to the sky, three-legged dog. Feel free to do this one from the left knee on the ground. As you exhale, bring the knee to your chest. Back to three-legged dog. Inhale, bringing the right knee to the left elbow. And make sure you're not just bringing the knee to the ground. Engage the core to pull the knee up. Inhaling back to your three-legged dog. Exhale, right knee to your right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose, push the floor away, engage the core. Inhaling back to your three-legged dog. Exhale to your twist, right knee to your left elbow. Inhale, back to your three-legged dog. Right knee to your right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose, reaching the heart forward. Three-legged dog and twist. Right knee to left elbow. Inhale to three-legged dog. Last one. Inhale, knee to your right elbow. Knee to nose. Three-legged dog. Coming to your twist. Right knee to your left elbow. And we're going to bring it back to the right elbow. Push the floor away. And on your next exhale, bring the right knee between the right foot between the palms, lower the left knee to the ground, and we're coming to our low lunge, hugging the core in. Keep the shoulders and hips together. Keep the core engaged. We're going to keep both palms on top of the right thigh. On the next inhale, reaching the arms up, sinking the left hip flexor towards the floor. And if it is accessible, you can try taking a mini back bend, reaching the arms back, lean back. Keeping the engagement in the core, don't collapse in the lower back. As you exhale, circle the front foot with both palms. We're going to step back to a plank pose. Inhaling here. As you exhale, we're going to come to a side plank on the left side. Take the left palm in. Feel free to lower the left knee to the ground if this is too much for you. Engaging the core. Push the floor away with the shoulders. Breathe. You can also step the right foot forward on top of the left. As you exhale, right palm to the floor, lower down, chaturanga. Inhaling, up dog or cobra. And as you exhale, come back to your down dog. Send your hips to the sky. Breathe here. Really pressing your chest down. Feel free to bend the knees at any time here in your down dog. On your next inhale, we're going to step both feet forward to the top of the mat, lifting halfway. Exhaling to fold. Inhale, big circle with the arms rising all the way up. And as you exhale, bring the palms together in prayer to your heart center. Take a full cycle of breath. And inhale, back to your chair pose, keeping the arms active. Take the biceps back by the ears as far as your body allows. Lower the hips down, engage the core. Exhaling to fold. Inhaling halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, stepping the feet back to a plank pose. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale, lift the heart, up dog. And as you exhale, send the hips to the sky, down dog. Inhaling, left leg to the sky. And as you exhale, left knee to your left elbow. Inhaling, back to your three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, up. Exhale to your twist, left knee to your right elbow. Inhaling, three-legged dog. Exhale, left knee to your left elbow. Inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale. Exhale to your twist, left knee to your right elbow. Inhale. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose, push the floor away. Inhaling here, up. Exhale, take your twist. Keep the core engaged, really pull the knee up. Inhaling back to three-legged dog. As you exhale, knee to nose. Push the floor away, breathe. And on your next exhalation, plant the foot between the palms, lower the right knee to the ground. We're gonna inhale, taking the arms up to your low lunge, engaging the core. Exhale, sinking your right hip flexor towards the ground without losing the engagement in your core muscles. So you don't wanna put this on your lower back. And if it is accessible, we start leaning back, taking a mini back bend. I'm gonna turn around, take the palms to circle the front foot, and I'm gonna turn around so you can see me. We're gonna come to a side plank on the opposite side. And feel free to lower the right knee on the ground. Take any variation of side plank that works for you. Maybe try keeping a smile. As you exhale, left palm to the floor, chaturanga, lower down. Inhaling, up dog or cobra. And exhale, we're gonna send the hips back, come to a child pose. Relax, breathe, slowing down your breath. Inhaling, reach the heart forward, come to lie down all the way on your belly. You're gonna roll the thighs in, keep the elbows hugged in close to the body, fingertips in line with the shoulders. You're gonna separate your feet mat distance apart or hip distance apart. Inhale, lifting to a cobra. I'm gonna walk the palms forward, coming to a high cobra. So you can, if it's too much on the back, you can keep taking your palms forward. Just make sure you're relaxing your shoulders down. So the more forward the palms, the easier it is on the back. So depending on your level of flexibility, take this to whichever is right to your body. And we're gonna send the hips back, coming to child pose. Big toes together, hips to heels. Relaxing here. As you inhale, start lifting the head, lifting the heart. And we're gonna come to seated, taking both knees forward, come to lie down all the way on the floor. Hug both knees to your chest. Just gently rocking side to side, massaging your lower back. Before we're in the practice, we'll take a gentle twist. Take both knees towards the right, extending the left arm. Try keeping both shoulders on the floor as you take your gaze toward the left side. Slowly coming back to center. And we'll take it to the opposite side. Take both knees towards the left, extending the right arm. Take the gaze toward the right shoulder. And as much as it's possible, try keeping both shoulders on the floor. So the knees don't need to reach the floor. Just take it as far as your body allows. You're just twisting, releasing the lower back. When you're ready, extending both knees. Keep the palms open away from the body. Relax. Find your Shavasana. And you can stay here for as long as you need to. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a nice sunny day. Bye.